packing box, storage bag, clamp meter, temperature line, watch pen, manual, complete accessories, battery installation. Remove the back battery compartment cover and put in 2 AAA batteries. Direct current. Switch to the corresponding gear and clamp the single strand with the pliers. Data retention can fix the value. AC current. Switch to the corresponding gear and clamp the single strand with the pliers. Flashlight lighting. Not afraid of dark environments. NCV induction. Switch to the corresponding gear, and a beep will sound when a nearby voltage is sensed. The watch pen is connected to the corresponding port. MVDC voltage. Stroke cross clear value. Switch to the corresponding gear and operate as shown in the video. DC voltage. Switch to the corresponding gear, and the watch pen can contact both ends of the battery. AC voltage. Switch to the corresponding gear, and the general household voltage is around 220V. The measurement will be slightly delayed, which will not affect the accuracy. Buzzer. Switch to the corresponding gear, test on and off, and issue a beep to indicate normal patency. Diodes. Switch to the corresponding gear and contact the positive and negative electrodes of the diode. Resistance. Switch to the corresponding gear and contact the 2 ends of the resistor. Capacitance. A short-circuit discharge is required before the test. Switch to the corresponding gear, and the watch pen can contact both ends of the capacitor. Frequency. Switch to the corresponding gear and operate as shown in the video. Temperature. Connect the temperature wire. Switch to the corresponding gear and contact the measured object with the thermocouple.